What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, my friends and I hit up the trails for the first time in 2021. Let's go. It's an early rainy Saturday morning, and my friends Matt, Kevin, and I are on our way to East Harrison to do some exploring. There's a few spots that we want to go to, but with the rain coming down pretty hard, it might be problematic. We air down at the trailhead of the main FSR. After that, on the way we go. I was expecting this area to have a bit more snow, but since it's at a lower elevation, the rain has melted it away. We started heading towards the shelter where my friends camped last time I was in this area, but unfortunately, there were people there already, so we moseyed along to this other spot close by to take a break. After our short break, we decided to head towards this viewpoint that Matt knows about. Here's hoping the rain will ease down a bit, but we live in the lower mainland, so I highly doubt it. After a short drive, we got onto the side trail to the viewpoint. As we got higher up in elevation, we finally found snow. Unfortunately, the snow got deeper and the trail got steeper, so we decided to turn around and head towards this waterfall Kevin knows about. Before we continued driving to the waterfall, we decided to take a quick break by the dam. After the quick break, onto the waterfalls we go. After driving for a short while, we finally reached the waterfall. With the rain not letting up, we decided to call it a day and head home. Anyways guys, that will do it for the video. If you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so and you're new to the channel, again welcome, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any future videos. Until next time guys, like always, stay awesome.